How to embed on Godaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to embed a code or something into your Godaddy website. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to head over godaddy.com. Then you are going to visit the websites and hosting. Select from here the websites section. Select website builder. From here, we are going to select or sign in into your account, and then we are going to visit my products on this account. So I'm going to click on my products. Now, what are we going to do is to prepare right there the dashboard. So we are going to see basically here all the websites that we have created on GoDaddy. If you do not have a website, go ahead and click on the plus button, set up a free website, and you are going to see it or prepare for a template choosing and also the elements for the website. Now I'm going to select one of the websites. So we're going to see the dashboard of it. Now what we're going to do is to click on edit website to open up the GoDaddy website builder. So we are going to wait for it to open up. In the meanwhile, we are going to head over the, let's say here, Jotform, for example, or Google Sheets. So we are going to get here some embedded forms or embedded codes. So we can go ahead and add them. So Jotforms, for those who doesn't know, you can go ahead and create any type of form for this platform or on this platform, and you can embed them in wherever website you want. For example, this online interview questionnaire form, we are going to click on edit form and we are going to publish it. This is a form that I have created already. For example, this is a questionnaire. So I'm going to click on publish. I'm going to select here embed, and then we are going to see here the type of embed. Either it is going to be a JavaScript, a CSS, or whatever. We're going to have it as an iframe, for example. We are going to copy the code, head over the GoDaddy website. Now, what we're going to do is to click on add section on the website, and here we are going to type in HTML. So HTML. So we are going to see it here, or you can go ahead and see it on the files and web. Here we have it, HTML. So we are going to embed a custom code on the page. We are going to click on add again, or add in case that you haven't added it yet. Now here we have the custom code. So we are going to paste the code here, and we are going to see the window pop in right there of that questionnaire. So this is the first example. You can also get here a Google Sheet, for example, and also embed it. For example, here we have a iPhone auction right there sheet. So we can go ahead and click on file, then click on share, publish to web. Then we are going to head over embed, click on publish. You are going to click on OK. We are going to get here a link. You can also put it here and add it right there on a different section. We're going to select files and web. Here we are going to add it again, and then we are going to only put the code. So we are going to put in here the code. As you can see, this is the sheet right there, and here we have it. So that was everything for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon on the next one.